never do this in the middle of the interview, but my son never calls me at this time, and this is the third time back.
You got it. Yeah, pick it up.
Nico, are you okay? What's up? Baby, I'm in an interview. I'm going to call you back, okay? Okay, bye.
I can't find the Cheerios. I've been looking everywhere. I can't find them.
All right, say these as angrily as you can. Lavender body wash makes my pores tingle.
Lavender body wash make my pores tingle. I'm here shooting a promo with dumbass Kevin Hart.
Look, what's up, Kevin? You almost caught in my hand. Look.
Oh, man, you diva-ass motherfucker.
No, this ain't mine with the glitter and shit.
Cube, the first time I heard NWA, I was scared.
Good.
It really scared me.
You look scared now.
Well, you're nice, Cube, so I'm not that scared. You're the nice Cube. But thinking back, you guys...
See your face, like, what's the face that you would make if you just found out you won the lottery?
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Okay,
here you go.
Your filmography and all the stuff you've done in music, everything clicks. Everything, I mean, your movies make money. So, do you ever walk past a mirror in your house, wink and go, yeah, I got it going on?
Every now and then, you know. But my wife brings me right back to earth, man.
There's nothing better on a gloomy day than a good book, a warm blanket, and a creamy pumpkin bisque.
Man, it's nothing better on a gloomy day than a warm, a good blanket, a warm, man, give me some damn pumpkin brisk.
Give me my money! Don't screw with me, Cube.
What you gonna do, man? What you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
What you gonna do?
You don't want a piece of this.
Trust me, I won't lose no sleep.
Okay.
I know what you're thinking. Angry, black captain. It ain't nothing but a stupid stereotype. Well, guess what, motherfuckers? I'm black, and I work my ass off to be the captain. And sometimes I get angry. So suck a dick.
The face, you're making love to the most beautiful woman in the world. What's that face?
No problem, got that one. Here you go.
Fantastic.
All right, one more. You ready?
Let's do it.
OMG, did you do something new with your hair? I love it.
OMG! Did you do something with your hair? I love it. Love it!
That's Ice Cube, everybody. That's acting right there.
What was the pickup line? How'd you get your wife?
I just said, hey, baby, it's me. It worked.
Really?
Yep.
That's all you did is, hey, baby, it's me?
Hey, baby, it's me.
All right, well, let's hope you do better. Would not have worked with me, I'll tell you that. No. You fell from heaven?
Do you have a map? Because I've lost directions to your place. Oh, y'all like that, huh? Yeah.